Hello, once again, this is Chester for our civil service exams to review the numerical ability part. On behalf of the Master Class Exams Pro Review Center, thank you so much for joining us. Now we've got this problem here. What is 12% of 500? Dapat po mabilis lang po ito. Okay, 3 seconds alam na po dapat natin yung answer. Hindi na nakating kailangan mag-compute, magsulat, no? Para pag makuha na natin yung tamang answer, go to the next question. So, tingnan po natin. 12%, that's 10% plus 1% plus 1%. Okay? So, what is 10% of 500? Kumbaga, hatiin natin siya sa 10. Kumuha tayo ng isa. That is 50 po. Okay? So, it pays kung alam natin ang 10% ng bawat quantity. Okay? So, what is 1%? Kumbaga, sa isang 100, ang 1 po doon, yun yung 1%. Eh, may 5 siya, 500. So, that's 5. 1% of 500 is 5. Okay? And 12% po yan lahat. So, another 1%. Another 5. Total po, 60. Ganun lang po kabilis siya. Okay? Konting practice po. At kung mabilis kayo mag-compute, makakatulong po yan, makakasave po yan ng oras para makapag-solve kayo sa ibang problem. Okay? Isa sa mga problema po sa civil service is the time element po. Okay? Under duress. Right? Yung nasa pressure po kayo. That's all for today. Hopefully nakatulong po ito and we're gonna see you in the next video.